sa'yo, tipid pa rin.
Okay. Ayaw niya na talaga. So,
Kanyari ito yung mga tax return mong binigay. Saka ano,
resume. Ayan na yung resume ko. Okay.
Boss, ano yung sound?
Lakasan mo, hindi marinig.
Sa USM pa kasi walang sounds dun eh. Talagang mamamatay ka sa kape. Okay.
Okay.
Ano ba ito? Tumutunog ba yung number doon? Ano ba yun? Sasabihin ba, calling Mr. Alvin Ron?
Papasok na. Okay. Yan, nagdadasal ako.
Ito. Pagdating niya sa Celia. Sa US Embassy.
Iyayos mo yung tanong mo, ha? Hindi nga, seryoso nga dahil nga
practice to, lahat.
US nga ako eh.
Lahat dito.
Siyempre, nakaupo ka na. Ako na susunod. Nagdadasal ako.
Okay.
Sana ma-US.
Calling Mr. Alvin Ron?
Ako na pala. Hindi ako tumatawa. Gin, English to.
Umarap pa rito. Umaharap yun.
Anay?
May salamin na gano'n, tapos may parang...
Gano'n ba yan?
Siliran na parang inaabot doon.
Asay na.
Walang red tape yun. Inaabot lang ng papeles. Are you Mr. Alvin Ron?
Yes, I'm Alvin.
Good morning.
Good morning too. Tama ba? Ay, pasabi na naman.
Wait. What did you say?
I'm a moderator.
Yeah. So you're slang?
Yeah.
Slang.
Yeah. Ang sabi mo?
Wait. I don't have a question yet.
Yeah. You have no question? Okay. Wait, your question. What's your question? Faster your question.
Okay. Wait, I'm scared. You make me panic.
Just be cool. Yeah. I'm cool.
I'm reviewing your papers.
Yeah.
You have you're a millionaire. You're a millionaire.
No, I'm not a millionaire. I'm not a millionaire.
You're a millionaire.
I'm poor.
It says here you have 1,200,000 in 5 years.
No, I'm 1,500,000.
Yeah, how did you get that?
I don't get that. Because I'm not millionaire, you know?
And you are married.
I'm married.
So what are your plans there in the States?
I plan to stay because I want to make many dollars and to go to this Philippines, you know? Because this Philippines is not there.
So you want dollars in the US?
Yeah. Because dollars is big money going to the Philippines.
Okay.
Yeah.
I understand that.
Yeah.
But it says here you want to see US. You want to travel.
Travel is...
You're applying for E1 tourist.
Yeah, I'm a tourist.
And you want dollars.
Yeah, I want dollars.
How come you want dollars and you want to be a tourist?
Because tourists are dollars.
Okay. Next question.
Yeah, next question. Because your question is not understand. I can't understand things.
Okay, I'm going to the next question.
Next question. Ilang question ba yan?
You know, Ambassador Kelly.
How many question?
You know Ambassador Kelly?
Ambassador
Kelly?
Ambassador Kerry? Hindi ko kilala. Ambassador Kerry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who's the president of the US now?
US? Hindi ba si Kenny Rogers? No?
Are you sure you're going to the US?
Yeah, I'm sure.
You don't know the...
I want going to the US.
So you don't know the president?
President? Bill Clinton? Who's? Si Arnold Clavio?
Okay. I forgive you.
Yeah.
Okay. You have a bank account here.
Now?
Yeah.
I have. What do you think of me? I account. Jin, meron ba tayong bank account?
And your tax is very, very high, your tax.
No. Very little tax account only. You know? Ano pa rin mga bata na rin?
Okay,
Yeah.
you
Next
know,
question? Yes?
you know,
I know.
you know in the US, no?
I know in the US.
I'm sorry, I have to,
Yeah, correction.
you can apply again.
Oh, now, I play again.
No, wait, I have some question here. No?
May sumingit.
Do you have relatives in the States?
I have.
You have relatives?
Yeah, I have.
Where in the States?
I have our relatives in state. My brothers. My brother.
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 Yeah. Where in the States?
I know, Texas? Texas? Repeat your question? I can understanding you.
Sige na nga, tatagalogin na nga kita.
Oh, yeah, ayan. Magkakausap tayo ng maganda niyan.
Paano ko malalaman na babalik ka sa Pilipinas?
Paano ko malalaman?
Oo.
Text kita. Text kita. O, gusto mo, natawagan pa kita.
Okay, I suggest you take...
O sana,